video quality sucks, but it'd be a waste to delete it. Please bear with it till the end. I ran out of time to walk around outside, and I still have a long way to go before I get home. I also have to drop someone off first, which is almost a 2-hour drive, then another 2-hour drive going home. That's why I really prefer being alone, so I can do what I want and fully control my time. Sometimes, even when you already manage your own time, you still end up running out of it. It's really hard to find content, you guys know that. Come on, let's start checking out the mall so we can go home after.
Body of clay, shape me how you will. You want me to stay, but I'm built to kill. The sound of your voice, it gives me a thrill. Soul made of soil, slipping like sand. You used to have me in the palm of your hand. You want to play, but I'm built to kill. The sound of your voice, it gives me a thrill.
To my subscribers and anyone who happens to watch, I just want to let you know that I don't have a fixed day or time for posting videos. I might upload daily, every other day, weekly, or sometimes not at all. All depends on my availability.